Here's a sample video. Say we're making this for YouTube. Now, as you can see, we have great video, but we don't have any audio. So where would I get audio? Well, there's plenty of places that we can get audio for our YouTube videos or for our videos in general. There's plenty of places that we can buy music, license music, royalty-free music, so on and so forth. But one place you can also get music is right from YouTube. So log into your YouTube channel, head over to your Creator Studio dashboard. If you don't know how to get there, come up to your channel icon there and go to Creator Studio. We are already there, so we'll come down here to where it says Create. Once you choose Create, you should have some options of the audio library or our music policies, which we'll look at really quick here at the end. But right here, we can get free music to use in in our videos, any of our videos. So just, and of course, pay attention to our licensing terms here, how we can use this music. So a lot of these, you're free to use this song and monetize your video. That's not everything. Some things you might have to give attribution, whereas attribution required, for example. So these, I would have to leave attribution, as you can see, to the artist in the description somewhere. All right. So if you don't want to have to remember to leave attribution, if you're worried about that, then make sure you use this drop down and say attribution not required. And then we can come over here and search for, maybe I want something that's sort of cinematic, for example. We can search for things with that sort of feel, sort by mood, genre, instrument, duration, so on and so forth. So if you need something that's like 30 seconds long to a minute long, you can always specify that right in here. Don't like that one? All right, so we'll say we like this. All you have to do, download it. Now, currently we can also mark this as favorites, although these options change from time to time. But just keep that in mind. All you need to do to download is choose the download button. So now, guess what? Let me pop open the video that we had, and there is that file. All I need to do is drag it into my NLE. Just pull it in here. Go ahead and let it import. Choose it here. Throw it in. And there we go. We have our music in our video. And of course, we could download several different files, obviously, and change up the music as we go in our video. But there you go. That's really all you need to do to get music for your YouTube videos. Royalty-free music that you can still monetize your videos with. Of course, paying attention to your licensing terms. All right. Also, by the way, you can also get sound effects. So right up here, sound effects. So if we need different sound effects for your video, get them right here on YouTube as well, and use them right within your production, royalty-free. Still monetize your video. Again, pay attention to your licensing terms, but most of them you can use royalty-free without having to do any sort of attribution or anything like that. So again, search for whatever you want, so on and so forth. All makes sense? Great. All right, so lastly, you have this music policies. Now, this is very good if there's a certain song you want to use, okay? So we'll say the next episode by Dr. Dre. You want to use this, you have this in your video. Well, what's the terms? Okay, well, so this song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. If you use this song, your video may be blocked or muted. Now, there is some music where they will allow you to go ahead and use it. Here we go. So this, for example, if you use this song, people can watch it worldwide. You can't monetize your video, okay? If you perform a cover of this song, viewable worldwide and eligible for revenue sharing. Now, this depends on the song. Sometimes you can go ahead and monetize it, or you can share in monetization with the copyright holders. Other times you can't. So if you want to research music that you're going to use, head over here to the music policies and search out that song before you just include it, because you might find out it's, like a lot of these, well, this one here is viewable worldwide, but a lot of these not available for use. So if you use this in your video, you did a bunch of work in your video, you worked hard and you threw that song in there, and then the next thing you know, your video is going to be taken down. So you can use that music policies search here right on YouTube to find out the copyright status of each song. And once again, head to the audio library to look for free music and free sound effects that you can use in your YouTube videos, and you can still monetize those videos. Again, pay attention to the licensing terms. All right, so just head over to your Creator Studio come down to Create and check out the audio library, free music, and free sound effects here for your YouTube videos.